Imposible no recordarlo.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following Pennsylvania counties: Adams, Cumberland, Dauphin, Lebanon, and York. Effective until 7:04 p.m. The National Weather Service in State College, PA has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Adams County, in south-central Pennsylvania, western York County, in south-central Pennsylvania, Dauphin County, in south-central Pennsylvania, eastern Cumberland County, in south-central Pennsylvania, western Lebanon County, in south-central Pennsylvania. Until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bourbon to near Duncannon to Mount Holly Springs to near Emmitsburg, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, York, Carlisle, Lower Allen, Hanover, Hershey, Colonial Park, Weigelstown, Progress, Mechanicsburg, Middletown, Camp Hill, Gettysburg, Palmyra, New Cumberland, Parkville, Linglestown, Enola, Steelton, and Anvil. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 2207, Interstate 78 from mile markers 0 to 7, Interstate 81 from mile markers 40 to 96, Interstate 83 from mile markers 20 to 50, Interstate 283 mile markers 0 to 2. Precautionary/preparedness. Alguna vez